the back.
Good evening. Thank you very much for the opportunity and nice to meet you.
Yes.
May I ask you, is it true or not if I'm looking in other people's eyes and some reason, without any words or without any action and without any explanation, it feels like I feel what the other person feel, but it's not the feeling. Is it? How is it? Can be possible if it's possible, or can we feel other people what they feel at that moment, or is it sometimes it comes that much quickly, or it's just my own mind playing with myself?
What do you see in my face?
I'm more curious about your eyes.
So what do you see in my eyes?
It's a bird, a robin bird, and quiet.
It's a
robin bird and quiet.
Okay, so if your mind is quiet, everything becomes quiet. So we say if you practice hard and your mind becomes very, very clear, so other people's mind can reflect in your mind. But the Heart Sutra say form, feeling, perceptions, impulses, consciousness are empty. So your perception is also empty. So don't attach to your perception. From moment to moment, what is the situation? What is your job? This is mean the relationship. Then what is the correct function? How may I help you? So you may have a wonderful gift and your perception when you look at people's eyes can be wonderful, but perception is also empty. So perceive the moment and function according to the moment, not according to your perception. Try it. Be more close. Thank you.